Stock number 40329G. It's a 2016 BMW X1. It does not have a key. The doors are no good. It's got a little paint chip right there on the front right fender. It's got a little surface scratch right there on the passenger front door. There's no scratch there. So that back passenger door is good. There's no scratches there either. So that quarter panel is good. There's a dent right here in the back lid. Just a little scratch right there. A little scratch right there. Little parking lot dent right there. The seat belts are all good. There's no key though. Seats, all of this interior is in nice condition. Here's the driver's side. Here's the passenger side. There's no airbags. All the airbags are good. There's the center console. There's a glove box. Does not have a sunroof. Again, this is stock number 40329G. It's a 2016 BMW X1.